Hey friends, it's Chef Wainaina. Today guys, I'm sharing this easy to make chicken tikka masala. It's an easy recipe that you can do at home in just one pot. The result is a rich, creamy dish that's so flavorful. So to start this recipe, I have 3 pounds of chicken thighs here that are skinless with bone in. All I need to do with this, just take a knife and do some slashes on each of these thigh. And then once I've done that, I'm going to go ahead and marinate these slightly. And then all I need to do now is to marinate this chicken, sprinkle in some salt, some black pepper, and then I'm going to add in some spices here, garam masala. I'm going to add half of these spices and then the rest I'm going to use for cooking. Chili powder, some mixed herbs, turmeric, cumin, coriander, minced ginger, and garlic. Also into the chicken goes 1 tablespoon of yogurt. Squeeze in lemon juice. Once this is done, I'll go in with my hands, massage this, and set it aside to marinate while I do the rest of the prep. Set the chicken aside. As our chicken marinates, I'm going to peel and dice 1 carrot, peel and dice that onion, dice these peppers, 1 jalapeno, and a small piece of hot chili. For the peppers, all I need are just some big chunks here. This is one of these recipes that are good for whatever you have in your pantry. I like to roll cut carrots. Mix the carrots with the peppers. Red onion. I'm going to finely dice this. And then this one, I'm just going to break it. This will go into our carrots and peppers pile. Jalapeno and the green chili, put them aside. As always, cut some cilantro, separate the stems, leaves for garnishing. This is about a 1/3 cup of cashews that are slightly toasted. Add a touch of water and process them into a paste. Into the cashews, I will add a teaspoon of yogurt and a touch more water. You end up with this very creamy paste. This will add a lot of richness to the dish. Set it aside, we start cooking. Into this pan, add 2 tablespoons vegetable oil. Add the diced onions and cook until they get some color. Season with salt and pepper. Once the onions have gotten some color, I will add in the rest of our garlic, ginger. Cook this slightly just to release their flavors. And then I'll add the rest of the spices: garam masala, chili powder, coriander, turmeric, cumin, and the mixed herbs. The list of the ingredients will be in the description box. Once the spices have slightly toasted, I will add in all the marinated chicken together with the marinade. You want to let this chicken cook for a couple minutes on one side. You want to get in there, turn the chicken, and let it slightly brown on the other side. You want to be careful at this point not to burn the bottom of the pan. This chicken has been going on for a while now. I'll come in with about a 1/3 cup of some tomato puree. Give this a stir. Cover this and cook for about 15 minutes. Wow, this looks so good already. This chicken has been going for about 15 minutes. It needed that because these thighs, they are just big. The oil, the yogurt is separating here, so that's a good sign for a tikka. That's what you're looking for. We'll give it a couple more minutes and then we'll add the vegetables. We want to make sure that the chicken is cooked through. Now add the carrots, the peppers, and the onion, jalapeno, and a small chili, the cilantro stems, and the curry leaves. Season some salt and pepper. I will add in the cashew paste. Add 2 cups chicken stock or water at this point and cook until the chicken is cooked through and the vegetables are all softened. Time to check our chicken thighs masala with carrots, peppers, and onions. Looks delicious already. Gonna have to check the chicken to make sure that it's all done. One way to do that, I'll poke with a knife. Yeah, this looks good to me. You can use a thermometer to do this. That's the safest way. Cilantro, turn off the heat. Check for the seasoning. It's perfect. Serve this rich and flavorful tikka masala over this fragrant rice pilaf, or a chapati will do, or any side of your choice, and you and your family will definitely enjoy this. As always, find a way to include vegetables into your dishes. Garnish with some cilantro as always, and this is ready to enjoy. Can't wait to give this a try. The chicken is cooked through some sauce. So friends, there we have it, our creamy and delicious chicken thighs masala, a dish you can do any day of the week and your family will definitely enjoy it, or just yourself. Thank you so much for watching this one. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Just remember to subscribe to my channel, leave me some comments, and give me a like. Thank you.